Hey y'all, it's Damon here from Deco Exchange. So let's make a bow. All right, so we're gonna start with that beautiful 4-inch ribbon that was in the subscription box. So zoom in. All right, so I'm gonna start with a decent size tail. Give this a good pinch and a good twist. Now this is a double-sided ribbon from the subscription box. Super pretty. Look at the back side. All right, we're gonna go quite large with this one, about out to the 8-inch. Get a tail going on here. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna take the same ribbon, but I'm gonna turn it upside down. And I'm just gonna put one just straight line, the opposite direction, coming straight down. That way we bring out the outside or the back color. All right. Y'all, then we're gonna grab that pretty snowflake ribbon. Get ourselves a good twist and a loop. Now, in this case, because this 4-inch has this crazy pattern, I'm gonna make this first loop substantially smaller so that the pattern shows up. All right, so we're just making our X back and forth. All right, then we're gonna finish it off with solid white and glitter dots. All right, so we've got our stack of ribbons. Gonna take a 20-inch pipe cleaner, which I think is in stock, fold it in half, get a good pinch on it, slide your ribbon out, Work your pipe cleaner all the way through. Give it a good pinch, right? Make sure your ribbons are all the way around. Y'all, if you miss a ribbon, it's not good for production. Give it a good twist. All right, let's trim up our tails. The 4-inch was from the subscription box this month. All right, so on the 4-inch, you can't really dovetail it because it's two different ribbons sewn together. So we're just gonna fold it. And I'm gonna fold it opposite directions so that the other pattern shows. All right, all the other ribbons, we're gonna trim up. Look how pretty. Boom, wreath made. You just have to fluff it out just a little bit. Gonna add this right up here to the center at the top. Get our bow fluffed out. Tails in order. Look how pretty that is.